to go. You ready to go? Come on. Oh, you're going now? Okay. Are you sure you're not Snaggle Bear again? Oh my goodness, look at that Snaggle Bear. That's what you're doing, huh? You're not coming? You're going to be a Snaggle Bear? You're the most precious, precious baby. All right, come on, time to go. Are you going to be a Snaggle Bear? What are you doing? No. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Time to go, Pi-May. What are you doing with your nose? What are you doing with your nose? Are you a Snaggle Bear? Come on, baby. Come on, time to go. Pi-May. Pi-May. Come on. Okay, good girl. Hey, Pi-May. Oh, she's an itchy Snaggle Bear. Come on, Bear. Pi-May. Don't lick. Come on.